Flask-Httpauth, how is get_password decorator meant to work for Basic-Auth? I wonder if anyone has used this Flask extension to simplify the HTTP Basic-Auth. Basically, I don't understand this example. The get_password decorator seems like to return the clear password of the given user, and if it matches to the one the user has provided, then the authorization will be granted. But no one should have access to the clear passwords of the users in first place. I usually send the clear password and username to the backend, hash the password and compare it to the existing hashed password in the database. How has this been envisioned? Update. The link to the doc sheds some more light. Since there is a second decorator required to achieve this. Literally the rule is get_password username == hash_password password. The way I understand this to work is get_password returns the user's hash password in the database, which needs to be equal to the currently hash password defined in hash_password method. The problem is though, I am using SHA-256_crypt from passlib. In here you can't hash the given password and compare it to the stored hashed password. I have to use the method SHA-256_crypt.verify password, hashed_password_n_db, which returns false or true. Is there a way to achieve this, or do I have to roll my own custom solution? Thanks.
I'm the developer of Flask-Httpauth. Sorry I missed this question. I just released a new version that gives you a way to use your custom function to verify a password. Instead of defining get_password and hash_password callbacks, you can now use a verify_password callback that leaves the password verification completely up to you. For example, in your case you would use this callback. I hope this helps.
I just realized this question's remained unanswered. I am sure the project Flask-Httpauth is great for cases where you intend to use MD5 hash. But as in my case, if you use SHA-256_crypt you can't make it work with this extension, do the way it works. See my updated question. What I ended up doing is to use this snippet written by the maker of Flask. The method check_auth is exactly what I needed, as it returns Boolean. In my case I have defined it like this to make it work with SHA-256_crypt.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.